What's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Daniel and I hope you guys are having a good day. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about my experience with Antisocial Social Club. Is it worth the hype? So on the 4th of July 2017 at 8 AM Pacific Standard Time, Antisocial Social Club dropped their newest range. And on the 22nd of December 2017, I finally received my order. Now before this video really starts, I do just want to say this is just a video on kind of my experience, with Antisocial Social Club and kind of what I went through and things like that. So it's not talking about how everyone's experience was or anything, because I know there's been other customers who have had really good experiences, and I know there's, on the other hand, others who have had an even worse experience than me. So now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. So first off, let's see what I actually picked up from Antisocial Social Club. I made two orders, okay? First was the Antisocial Social Club cap, pretty much just your standard dad's hat with the writing on the side, Antisocial Social Club. And so it's a black cap with white writing. Now as far as the cap goes, real happy with it. Real standard, there's not much that you could go wrong. I do actually really like the placement on the side of the hat. You don't really see it every kind of hat these days with that logo is always on the front, so it's kind of cool just mixing it up on the side. It's a bit more low-key. Now the main item that I was really kind of pumped and stuff to get was the Antisocial Social Club hoodie in pretty much this dark forest green with the gold font. So on the front, obviously you got the small, again, standard font of Antisocial Social Club with it printed very big on the back. Talking about my order first and on what I actually received, I got the jumper in an XL because I do want that kind of oversized fit, and it did actually fit how I wanted. It had the drop kind of shoulders and stuff, and that's what I was going for. As far as the material and the quality of the item, I'd say it's good. No, I wouldn't say it's good. I'd say it's average. It's standard. It's just a standard kind of quality. So if you're in the UK, I'd probably compare it to maybe a hoodie you'd maybe get from Primark. If you're in New Zealand, it's probably the same as the Wadi Fuddy. And I don't know, America, maybe Target or something. That's just in my opinion. It's not bad. It's just standard. It's just a standard quality. So on the inside they have it printed on Antisocial Social Club. But what I kind of didn't like, obviously they've taken off the tag that was previously on it, and they haven't even done a really good job about taking it off. They've pretty much just, you can see here bits of the tag that was still on there, so it's kind of just a real rough job, almost trying to hide where it's from. So I'd say either do a better job at trying to hide that tag, or just don't hide it altogether and just wrap where you got the hoodie from. But other than that, the quality and stuff and the hoodie and stuff, I'm gonna wear them. I like them. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I've got nothing really bad to say about the product itself. Now let's talk about why it took me 5 months and 18 days to receive this product. So there's 171 days in total it took me to receive my order. First, if you guys aren't aware, an Antisocial Social Club's drop goes live. It's a pre-order. There's one thing to note on there will be a delay because it's just a pre-order that you're making. Now typically, let's say with a pre-order, anywhere between 3 to 6 weeks is a pretty normal acceptable time to wait. That's because that gives them time to go to the manufacturers when they actually get the products from, print them, get everything done, and then ship to you. There should be a little bit of a wait with your order from Antisocial Social Club, but 5 months, 18 days, 171 days total, nah, that's kind of just pushing it, and just kind of having a little bit of a laugh. It was a month afterwards when I sent my first email, just inquired about my items I ordered, and then since that date I'd sent over 100 emails trying to figure out where my item is, what's happening, why I'm not getting any emails, no response, nothing like that. I even got to the point where I was yo, I just want a refund, just because I was getting no communication. It wasn't even about the product, it was because I was getting no communication back. I was just what the hell's going on? So yeah, never got an email back. But my product showed up, my items showed up right before Christmas, so the 22nd of December. So maybe Antisocial Social Club's just ahead of the game, and that they actually were providing it for me for Christmas. Now this isn't about dogging on the company or anything like that, or trying to bash the brand, because again, I like the brand. I'm still gonna wear it, I'm not selling it, I'm keeping it. I've already worn it a few times. When I first saw the streetwear brand, it was back in it would have been when I was in New Zealand, so about 2 or 3 years ago. I loved it straight away. When I saw the font and just the style of it and the name is what got me. Antisocial Social Club. I loved everything about it, and I still do. I just hate their customer service and their shipping. That's it. If they fix that, I'd be happy to purchase from them again. Like I said, the price isn't too bad that you pay. Obviously it is a bit more priced up because it's a streetwear brand, it's hype, they're always going to up their prices and stuff. So I'm not sour about anything like that. The only thing I'm pretty much butthurt over is the communication, man. Like, I needed communication, you know, back and forth. It started to sound like it was like a bad relationship. Like, if they just told me, hey, it was going to take this amount of time, sorry, and things like that, I'd be happy. But they didn't. So that's why I'm a bit still kind of annoyed about that side of it. So yeah, guys, it's really their shipping and customer service that I would tell you guys just to be careful of, because again, I don't even, like, I know they have a customer service, but I actually don't think they have a customer service, because there was just no way of getting in contact with them. Like, there was no way of getting in contact with them. So even if they had shipped your order and things like that, and they, like, it got lost somewhere else, like, you know, like, there's been no way to find out what the hell your product's doing or where it is or whatnot. But other than that, like I said, the product wise, yeah, it's dope. Like, I'm gonna wear it, I'm happy with it. So Antisocial Social Club, is it worth the hype? Man, I'm kind of 50-50 on it, because once you receive your product, like, it's cool, like, you know, it's cool to rock and it's things like that. So like, on that end, yes, but then with the weight and how they almost take the piss out of you with their shipping, I'd say then no. So I don't know, is it worth it? I'd say no. I gotta go with no, because as much as I'm happy with the product, it was just like, you know, I paid, you know, a good amount of money and just heard nothing from them. So on that end, I'd be like, nah, it's not worth it. I guess the way I'll leave it is, if they fix their shipping and they can ship it out to you within 6 weeks, then I say yes, it is with the hype. But for now, no. Alright guys, so that is today's video. Now if you guys have any questions or anything about Antisocial Social Club, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you've ordered from Antisocial Social Club, comment down below. Let me know how your experience went. Let me know if it was a good one or a bad one, or you're still waiting for your order. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like today's video, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below, because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos to come. Also, if you kind of want to see what I'm up to on the daily, you can go check out my Instagram, which is over here on Daniel Simmons, and just to see some more stuff. Sweet as, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one.